So how do you copy photos from the iPhone to the iPad? Let's get started. So you have a few options, of course. Since the iPhone and iPad are both from Apple, they can use AirDrop, for example. So you can grab your iPhone, select the photos and videos which you want to copy from the iPhone, tap on a share, and click on AirDrop. Make sure you also have the AirDrop turned on your iPad, but if you do, you'll then be able to select the device right there, and you can just copy and send all of the photos directly there. There are of course other methods. You can use some cloud-based services like Google Drive and Dropbox, but also iCloud has the photos syncing implemented, so you can check out your settings on both devices, tap on your name at the top, proceed to the iCloud and tap on Photos to see if you have the syncing enabled. Keep in mind that it will sync all of your photos, and this takes up a lot of storage. So if you don't have the premium iCloud subscription, it's likely not going to be enough storage for you. So just a heads up, but you should be good to go if you have like a lot of storage left and want to share and sync all of your photos between devices. Now that's going to be about it from me. Let me know in the comments if it worked, subscribe if it did, and I'll catch you later.